wobbly.
Is it videoing now?
Yes.
Do you see it? Okay, safety
Is the camera
first.
on me?
Yep, safety first. Now wait a minute. Wait a minute. Not ready. I'm holding it.
Make sure it's on me.
It's. Did you turn it on?
It is. It's recording.
Okay.
Okay.
I got you.
Good. Up and away. Now we're going to do two. One here. One.
Make sure turn it up a little bit more. Make sure.
Okay, now I'll show you where we're going to cut. Right here first. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Okay. Now we're going to cut it right there. Very good. Very good. Back and away so I can pull it up. Always remember, I'm going to pull it forward. Okay? You have to go back and away. Right? Easy. Good. What do you do? Out of the way. That's right.
Oh yeah, that way the
I'm like
saw is out of your way.
Now do it below the V. Right there. Good. Going. Okay, now what we have to do now is we have to come in. We're going to cut that right here. Okay? We're going to cut it here. So stand over here where I am. Okay? Now, what we're going to do, you're going to stand here and cut it like right here. While I hold it. Right there. Okay? Okay, put it with your left hand. Okay. No. You're going to stand over here. Now what? Lift it up. I'll show you where you're going to cut. Right there.
Oh,
Now
just
don't press the button. Right there. Okay? Now ready? Go. Good. Good.
Okay, no.
Now see we can make good cuts now. Okay, come around me. On this one like you were. Stepping down. Good. Up and away. Now,
I never got these myself. I bought one like that. We use that circular blade.
right in here.
Circular.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Same place, right there. Now what happens, those are a little thin and they tend to hop. Do you see how it hopped?
Yep.
Okay, put it down. I think we're good. You get them
Got
all?
it.
Play back and